Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have a cute blue cut crease tutorial for you guys, so let's get right into it. So for the first color, I'm using the yellow color from the Crayon Case palette, and I'm going to make sure I blend it out to perfection. Now I'm taking this really vibrant green color and I'm going to place it right below that yellow shade that I just put on, and I'm gonna pack it on so that it's really pigmented and it shows up really well beneath my other colors. And the brush that I'm using for this is my M514 Morphe brush. Next, I'm taking this navy blue from my Morphe M514 palette, and I'm gonna place it right underneath that green. Now I'm using this emerald green color so that there's a smooth transition between the two. A hack for you guys when you're doing your cut crease is to take a Q-tip with some makeup remover and wipe off the eyeshadow that's on your lid where you're gonna cut your crease, so that it doesn't look cakey and then you can't see the other colors beneath the base. And I'm taking Plouise base Rumour 4. I did this in my last tutorial for reference. So yeah, I really like this base, and make sure you cut like a nice ovally shape on your lid. For this color, I didn't have the light blue that I wanted, so I just took some white and another nice blue, and I mixed them together to get this color that I got on my inner lid. And now I'm taking this darker blue and putting it on the outer corner of my lid, and to make a nice grading effect, I'm taking this purple and placing it on the very outer V. Another hack for you guys is to take this really fine brush and take a black eyeshadow and outline your cut crease. It just makes so much more of a difference, and it makes it look so much more defined. Like, you guys really need to try that. If you find that you're doing a cut crease and it like doesn't look sharp enough, you can always go back in with this technique that I'm using here. And then to even out the look, I'm placing the blue, the green, and the yellow on my lash line, my lower lash line. And that's it for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this cut crease. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye guys.